Hello, good morning, and welcome to ISE 2020. My name is Isaac Schwarzenberg. I am Business Development Manager for Sansi and Sansi Tech. What you see today is actually just a bit of our capabilities in our product. You're looking now at our 1.25 product, which is specifically designed for corporate displays, corporate presentations, and some selective command and control applications. Then we can move over to our other 1.25 system or screen, which is basically used for broadcast applications, command and control applications, and whoever needs a very fine pitch. Of course, we can go down to 0.9, which we don't display today. And we'll end up with our retail product right there in the corner, which is suitable for digital signage, for point of sale, and for other commercial applications. And if you need some more information, you're welcome to visit our website, www.sansi.com or www.sansitech.com. Thank you.